Dear students, myself Ashok Kumar Vishwal, lecturer Mechanical, Government Polytechnic Gajapati. Today my topic is flexible manufacturing system of 6th semester Mechanical Engineering students of the subject Advanced Manufacturing and CAD/CAM. Chapter number is 5. So contents of the flexible manufacturing system. Introduction of FMS, basic component of FMS, different types of FMS, advantage and disadvantage. Introduction. Flexible manufacturing system. A flexible manufacturing system is an arrangement of machines interconnected by a transport system. The transporter carries work to the machines on pallets or other interface units so that work machine registration is accurate, rapid, automatic. A central computer controls both machines and transport system. The other definition is FMS consists of a group of processing workstations interconnected by means of an automated material handling and storage system and controlled by integrated computer control system. Both the definitions are same. The second definition may be easy for you, but in both the definitions we mark the three components. The FMS consists of three components, basic components. One is workstations. The another is automated material handling and storage system. The third one is computer control system. You mark the diagram which illustrates the flexible manufacturing system. Here the six number of workstations are marked, are drawn in the diagram, block diagram. One workstation or machine, second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth. Six number of the FMS system consists of six number of machines or workstations, and these are the tools fitted with the machines, different tools. Again there is loading system and unloading system, and this is the conveyor system, belt system through which materials are loaded and reaches each workstation. Then the another one is important is computer control room. That means the different workstations and the transport system, conveyor system is controlled by the computer control room. So here material to be finished at different workstations are loaded here on the conveyor belt or by means of automated guided vehicles. Through the conveyor, the material goes from one machine to another machine. Then from the conveyor belt, the material is fitted, pick and place from conveyor to machines by means of robots. These are the robots. Here one robot, here another robot, here another robot, another different robots, which picks the material from the conveyor belt or from the pallets or the automated guided vehicles. Then it fits to the machines. Then machine processes the parts and the finished parts moves here, and then the part is unloaded. All the activities are controlled by the computer control room. All the activities, that means the machine, suppose this is machine, turning machine. This one is boring machine, grinding machine, milling machine. All are CNC machines, computer numerical control machines, and all activities are controlled by the central computer room. So this is the flow diagram, block diagram for flexible manufacturing system. Workstations. Workstations are different machines. In present day application, these workstations are typically computer numerical control CNC machine tools that perform machining operation on families of parts or different parts. Next, flexible manufacturing systems are being designed with other type of processing equipments including inspection sessions, assembly works, sheet metal works, etc. Suppose after the works are the materials are finished, then it may go to inspection session, assembly works or sheet metal if it needs. So the various workstations are machining centers, maybe CNC turning machines, etc. Load and unload stations, assembly work stations. If assembly work requires, it will go to assembly stations. Next, inspection sessions. Inspection sessions, if for quality product, if quality is required, quality is emphasis on quality is required, then it will move to inspection sections. Next, forging sections and sheet metal process. If forging sheet metal is required, then it will move to those sections. Then automated material handling and storage system. So the function of automated material handling and storage system are, the various functions are random and independent movement of work parts between work sessions and handling of a variety of work part configurations, temporary storage, convenient access for loading and unloading of work parts, compatible with computer control. Next, computer control system. So this is the one major component in the flexible manufacturing system which controls everything. It controls each workstation, each machineries are controlled by this computer. Distribution of control instruction to workstation. Each workstation is given instruction how it will work. Already the computer is programmed. So accordingly it will give instruction to each workstation. Next, production control. So after the day of operation, what is the rate of production per day? It will monitored by this computer. Next, traffic control. Material is moving through AGV, automated guided vehicles, or through a belt. Then the material may not overlap while the material moving from the vehicle one machine to another machine, it will not overlap or there will be no accident. So there will be traffic control which is controlled by this computer control system. Next is shuttle control. Shuttle control, that means while the material is moving on the belt from the loading station and moving towards different workstations, so the material reaches by means of a pick and place robot. So the robot fits the material on the machine properly. So this is known as shuttle control, and this is also governed by this computer control system. Next, work handling system and monitoring. Next, system performance and monitoring and reporting. All these activities are governed by the computer control system in the flexible manufacturing system. So different types of flexible manufacturing system. So sequential FMS, random FMS, dedicated FMS, engineered FMS, modular FMS. Sequential FMS. In sequential FMS, it manufactures one piece part, batch type, and then planning and preparation is carried out for the next piece part, batch type, to be manufactured. It operates like a small batch flexible transport line. That means it is, as the name indicates, it is a sequential order form. That means the parts moves from one machine to another machine, then one workstation to another workstation. That means it is prefixed. The operations are done. Suppose the first operation is step turning, then is milling, then is turning, then another operation. It will go on sequence in order as per the planning. or it will move from one machine, one workstation to another station sequentially. So this is known as sequential FMS. Next, random FMS. It manufactures any random mix of piece part type at any one time. That means if there is a little bit variation in the product, it can adapt. So this is random FMS. Next, dedicated FMS. In dedicated FMS, it continually manufactures for extended periods the same but limited mix of piece part batch types. It differs from random type of FMS. So it cannot adapt any difference of the parts to be manufactured. If there is slight change, it cannot cope, cannot adapt. Next, engineered FMS. It manufactures the same mix of part types throughout its lifetime. That means it will produce the product as per the planning throughout the lifetime. There will be no variation. So, modular FMS. A modular FMS with a sophisticated FMS host enables an FMS users to expand their FMS capabilities in a stepwise fashion into any of the previous 4 types. It differs from the other 4 types, and it uses a sophisticated FMS host or a computer system. Next, advantages of FMS system. So the advantages of FMS system are: this is faster, lower cost changes from one part to another, which will improve capital utilization. Next, lower direct labor cost. Due to the reduction in number of workers, so there are the involvement of direct labors are very less, as in case of FMS. So at the loading section and unloading section, and one man, trained man, which is computer trained man, is used to work at the computer control system. So rarely 3, 4, 5 people are working in a FMS system. So lower direct labor cost due to the reduction in number of workers. So the cost of the product will be less in case of the product we get from the FMS system. Next, reduced inventory due to the planning and programming precision, consistent and better quality due to the automated control. So there is no need of inventory. The product which is produced by means of FMS system, it do not need any inventory system for quality product. Lower cost unit of output due to the greater productivity using the same number of workers. So the cost of unit cost is less. Next, savings from the indirect labor from reduced errors, rework, repairs and rejects. All the operations are carried out automatically or in the programmed way by means of the computer, operated by the computer. So the rejection of the objects is less. Next, disadvantage. Disadvantage of FMS systems are limited ability to adapt the changes in product or product mix. Example, machines are of limited capacity and the tooling necessary for products, even of the same family, is not always feasible in a given FMS. That is limited ability to adapt the changes. Suppose you are producing a chair in a FMS system. You suddenly plan to produce a table. It cannot be possible. It cannot adapt the changes in product. This is the disadvantage of FMS system. Limited ability to adapt to changes in product or product mix. So if you want to change a product, it cannot adapt. Substantial pre-planning activity. Next, expensive, costing of millions of dollars. So if you want to change the product, so it costs millions of dollars. Technological problems of exact component positioning and precise timing necessary to process a component. These are the disadvantages of FMS system of manufacturing system. So I will show you some video. I will show you video for your better understanding on FMS system. Please watch another video on FMS.
Typically, at workday's end, machines shut down, people leave, and you're left with unused production capacity. This, along with other factors, reduces machine utilization rates, resulting in a great deal of unused potential. Fortunately, there is a solution. Fastem's FMS, Flexible Manufacturing System. Fastem's solution incorporates the machine tools you choose and uses engineered modular components to fit into your factory and precisely meet your needs. In this pallet-based automation system, the pallets and parts are efficiently stored and organized in a minimal 24/7 production. It will automatically process loaded pallets unattended until it has completed all of the parts loaded in the system. The result is a high utilization rate that maximizes your machine output. And as your needs change, you can easily expand your system to include all brands, sizes, and types of cutting machines, robotics, wash stations, and even coordinate measuring machines. FastTems FMS. Everything you need for maximizing machine utilization and manufacturing productivity.
किसी क्वेश्चन अच्छी तुमर ये टॉपिक नहीं कि तुम परीक्षा एग्जाम रे सेट ला भलिया तुम ताको घरे प्रैक्टिस करिवो. व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय एफएमएस? एरा फाइव डेफिनेशन अच्छी. सो व्हाट आर द मेन एडवांटेजेस ऑफ एफएमएस? एडवांटेज भी आज टॉपिक रे कवर होईची. एक्सप्लेन द कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ एफएमएस विथ ब्लॉक डायग्राम. मु जो ब्लॉक डायग्राम दे से डायग्राम आकि ड्रा कर परिवो नचे जहाँ टेक्स्ट बुक पढुछो से टेक्स्ट बुक तमे ब्लॉक डायग्राम ड्रा कर परिवो. Explain briefly different types of FMS. So types भी दिया है आज कवर है तेणु सेटा को देखियो. Thank you. If anybody have any doubt regarding this topic, then you may contact me in my WhatsApp number 7978500695 or email me ashokvishwal02@gmail.com.
झीटीए तो माटी आम सामाजिक और पारिवारिक जीवनर मूल कथाटी से माने आगकू गले आगकू जीव संसार. आम झील मैंने आ पुओंकठू पछरे नाहांती. एबे तो बदली गलानी समय, बदली गलानी जुग. से झील माननकू आहुरी आगकू नहीं आत्मनिर्भरशील और स्वावलंबी करने ओडिशा सरकार सुदक्षा योजन सरकारी ITI माध्यम संपूर्ण मागणार जोगई देउछंती सबु प्रकार उत्कृष्ट मानर वैषयिक ज्ञान कौशलर तालीम. एबे आम झील रहिबे सबुठू आगरे सबुठू उपरे.
मु सफल, मु कुशली, मु सुदक्षा.